One might wonder, why would any of us who works hard all day long fight our way through traffic just for the privilege of sitting in a car in a drive-thru to pay for bad food? Not on this show. You've just walked into the man's kitchen. This week on the man's kitchen, we're doing chili cheese dip, made with a combination of chili, cream cheese, tomatoes, and chopped onions. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome to the man's kitchen. Today we're gonna do chili and a cheese dip with nachos. Now, all the ingredients will be applied on screen so you can easily find them. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take some cream cheese. Philadelphia cream cheese is best for me. Don't get that cheap stuff. And remember, you're going to have friends come over, so don't get the cheap stuff. Now we're going to have some nice nacho chips. You want to get the rounded ones, but get something that's firm because you're going to be scooping. Okay? So like I said, we're going to have that cream cheese, just one entire block. I'm going to take that. You have some chili. Okay? I like Campbell's chunky chili because it's one of the only companies that finally put everything that you're supposed to in chili. So we take the cream cheese block that's right there. In a bowl just like this is going in the microwave. This is not an oven meal, it's a microwave meal. Take that whole entire can of chili and dump it right over there. It's nice and easy. Won't take 5 minutes. Now to that, we're going to add some cheese. Now I'm using some Sargento cheese and sharp cheddar. I'm going to add a big heaping of that, nice and around it. Big heaping. Don't be cheap on the cheese. Alright, so that's how you want it to look. Now the rest of it, it's going to be in the microwave. So the microwave, we're going to put that, open it up. We'll do about 5 minutes. Not going to even mess with it, okay? Now let's see what else we're going to do. You can't have chili without beer, so today we're going to have a Budweiser. Now if you watched the show before, The Man's Bartending, excuse me a minute. You've always seen where I said to pour a good beer with a nice head on there, you start by holding the glass at an angle, like that, and then you pour more towards 70% towards the top of the glass, like that, and then you turn it up, and it makes a nice head on it. And maybe it won't go over the top, but if it does, hey, who cares? Same way with that glass, 70% at the top, then we pour it, same deal. That head will settle down in just a minute, and then we'll balance the two off. But one thing that the head provides on the beer, and it holds in the flavor. So if you ever had a flat beer, it's because once you poured it, there was no head at the top to hold that flavor in while you drink it. So it's more than just look pretty. All right, so we got 3 minutes and a little bit left. Get the nachos ready. We want to have something to take that out with because you don't want to burn yourself. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and get an oven mitt. In case that's pretty hot, we're going to top that dish with some chopped green onions. And I've got quite a bit there. And some tomatoes. And they've already been pre-chopped. See, like I said about the head of that beer, it's settling down. So now you go ahead and add it directly in the middle. Raise it up to the top. Raise it up to the top. And stop. And you want to make it even. You don't want anybody to cry about, hey, I didn't get as much as the other person. Okay, 2 minutes, 42 seconds. You don't want to take that out there before the time. Easiest dish. You got somebody coming over. You got the game coming on. You got a good movie coming on. It looks like you're an expert. You need these three. You need the cream cheese. You need the chili. You need the regular sharp cheddar cheese on top of that. Top it with the tomatoes and the chopped green onions. Make sure you get the best chips. Don't get that cheap chip. And I'll show you in a minute. Hold on a minute. This Mission Tortilla chips, that's an authentic Mexican brand. And they are pretty damn good. So you want to make sure you get those. Alright, so we top off the last bit of that beer. And make sure you guys watch Midday News. That's what we have now, brand new. Okay, so move that out of the way. Wait a whole 1 minute. 21 seconds. Oh, I can't wait to eat. Ooh. Now, I could easily check it out right now if I wanted to, because this is a pretty high-powered microwave, and so I don't want it to make it soup. So we'll go ahead and check that out. Alrighty. Let's see where she is. That's nice and warm. You can see there. Okay. The cheese is melted. Even the cream cheese. Oh man, that's good. I'm stirring the cream cheese around a little bit. Cream cheese will be the longest to mix because it was cold. And cream cheese is almost resistant to heat. I don't know if you ever tried to warm cream cheese before, but it is something. So we can make a soup mess out of that. Remember the soup Nazi on Seinfeld? This is soup messy. Make that nice and messy. Alright, so we put it in there for the last bit of time. 1 minute, 5 seconds. It's not too hot, I can handle that. Start it back where it was. And we are gonna eat. As always, here's to you. That particular beer jives with the chili. And you can't really have chili without a beer. Otherwise, you're gonna get the case of bubble guts. You're gonna stink up the whole house, right? All right, here it goes. We're getting to the countdown. You know what's at 30? 37, 36, 35. I'm about to eat. Anticipation is making me wait. All right. Don't go nowhere. It's almost done. So remember, if you got friends coming over, it doesn't take only the 5 minutes it takes to put in the microwave. And it's only on 4 seconds now. Take it out. You're done. No advanced preparation. Okay, so that is not too hot. That is how she looks. And until they invent smell-o-vision, you never get a chance to really smell it. That's good. Go ahead and garnish it. Sprinkle the onions on top of it. Gives it color. Gives it flavor. Helps get gas. One thing better is bean gas is onion gas. Put your tomatoes round in a circle. Remember, so guys, don't worry about being pretty. Unless you got a date over. You want to impress somebody. Okay. So, there we go. Go out today and get it. Chili, cream cheese, sharp cheddar cheese. Chop the onions up, green onions, 1 whole stalk, and chop tomatoes. And get the best chips. Nice and firm, nice and round. Don't get that cheap stuff. And we'll see you guys soon. Enjoy your day. Come back and see us again soon. I'm about to eat. You should too. Here we go. Bye-bye.